In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ExpressVPN faster. If your VPN feels slow while downloading, gaming, or streaming, the good news is that you can often improve performance with a few simple settings. The main goal here is to reduce latency, avoid overloaded routes, and make sure the app is using the fastest available connection method for your device. The first thing to do is switch your protocol to Lightway UDP. Open the ExpressVPN app, then go to the Options menu. On desktop, this is usually the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. On mobile, look for the Options or Profile area near the bottom. From there, open Settings or Preferences, then go to the Protocol tab. Change the selection from Automatic or Open VPN to Lightway UDP, and then click OK or Apply. This is often the biggest speed improvement because Lightway is designed to be faster and lighter than older protocols. If you're using Windows, there's one more setting worth enabling. Go back to Settings, then Protocol, and make sure Lightway UDP is still selected. Under the protocol list, look for an option called Enable Lightway Turbo or Use Multi-Lane Tunneling. Turn that on and save the setting. This helps Windows process VPN traffic more efficiently and can improve both download and upload performance. Next, optimize your server location. Back on the main screen, find the server location area below the large power button and click the 3 dots to open the full locations list. Go to the recommended tab, since this usually shows servers with the best connection quality for your network. If you don't need to appear in a specific country, choose a server in your own country or somewhere nearby. Then double-click that location, press the main power button, and wait for the connection to fully establish. In general, shorter physical distance means lower ping and better speed. Another useful option is split tunneling, especially for heavy applications. Disconnect from the VPN first, then open Settings and stay on the General tab. Find split tunneling, enable the option to manage connection on a per app basis, and open its settings. Choose the option that prevents selected apps from using the VPN. Then add the high bandwidth apps you want to route through your regular internet connection. Save the changes when you're done. This is helpful for large downloads or game launchers, while the rest of your browsing can stay protected through the VPN. Finally,